Okay, hello everyone, it's me. Okay, hello everyone, it's me, Best Dean. So let's test let's test the work of that our server. We are going to host a simple website, a template called Buyer Bitcoin template. So what we need to do now, we go to our file manager. We find that file. Okay, that file that I sent to you on Telegram. You locate it, but this is where I keep mine. So you're gonna find it where you save yours. Okay, then I have to extract it to that folder. Extract it to the folder that I used for that this thing, the Awebserver, in the first video. So I use there. So I'll extract it. I will start it here. That is like the folder. Let's say this is the folder I use for the Awebserver. So when I click it now, then I have to extract the file here. Extracting. Okay. So you have to wait till it restarts. Then so after it is done, we have to go back to the folder. That is the folder that we set for the Awebserver. Back now, you have to rename this to something that we can remember. Maybe let's say Bitcoin. Okay, now this will be our link. Okay, now let's test it. We go to our server. Later. So I have to start. When I click here, the server will start. Apache. Oh. Then I'll click up here. This one, my sequential, is the Maria database. So I have to start it. Okay, I have started. So let's go back to our browser. You don't need to on your internet, whatever. Just leave it. You can put your phone offline mode. Okay. Don't enter. Just write what I'm writing. So localhost. Write something like this. Localhost 8080. You put it. Now the link will be the name of that folder. That folder that I write Bitcoin the other time. So any name you put there will be what we enter. That will take you to the website. Let's see. Well. You can see. Look at the website. Look at the website template. You just view the website now. So that template, this is it. You can see it. You can see. So we are going to use this to build a WordPress website in the next video. Okay, now this is a simple website. So if you don't understand, you have to follow the video step by step. Follow it first before you start your own. Thanks to me, Best Dean. Boom.